All right, guys. So let me show you guys my secret confirmation techniques that has never failed me, not even once, ever since I started using it. And I'm going to walk you guys through the guidelines on how to make use of it effectively. Now, this is usually how many people approach confirmation entry. Okay, like this is a higher time frame that they want to engage the trade. All right, this is where the setup is. Okay, example, this is how it usually looks like. Okay, price expand, come back to other block of heavy look up. Then this is the level of entry. Okay, the place where you want to place the trade. Okay, now you guys know, of course, I've even taught you guys on this YouTube channel that it is a very wise thing you wait for confirmation before you take your trade. All right, so at this point we are monitoring the movement on lower time frame. Let's assume this is 1 hour time frame. All right, then we are monitoring this price action. This retracement here is this price action you are seeing here. So let's assume this one is 5 minutes time frame. Okay, I'll show you guys example. I'm just showing you guys a traditional approach of confirmation entry. Okay, now on this lower time frame, this is what we all are used to. I have taught you guys here on YouTube, but I just want to give you guys something that is better than that. Okay, so this is the retracement. The moment price get to this level here, this point of interest, that is when you now start seeing this reaction on lower time frame that will result to break in market structure or change of character. Change of character means CH, CHOC, the same technique but different names. Okay, now this is the problem with this approach. Okay, now this was the issue I usually had with this approach. The moment price has broken here, of course, it has shown sign of strength. All right, so every one of us, we are waiting for a retracement, maybe to this breaker block or any favorable gap or anywhere on this 5 minutes lower time frame. Then we are ready to take the trade on this lower time frame. Now, the issue I was having using this approach, which I'm sure most of you guys see encounter, okay, of course, the issue is still there till today, is that sometimes this can be a fake move, all right, to the upside. All right, after this whole scenario have taken place here, then you think, okay, at this point, market makers are ready to push this into the upside. Then the moment after this break, a retracement, you are ready to get in on the move. This thing will just keep falling to the downside, keep falling to the downside. So this issue, I have to look for a way to refine it, and I've discovered it, and which I've been using it for a long time now. It has not failed me, which I'm going to show you guys right now on this video. Now, this is how the technique works. Remember this illustration I just gave you guys right now, okay, which is this one here, okay, which was this one here, okay. Now, this is the same illustration here. Now, I want you guys to study this price action here, okay. Take a look at all this move. This is lower time frame. This could be 5 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on the time frame you want to use for your confirmation. And I want to guarantee you guys that if you apply this thing I'm showing you guys, very, very simple. You're never going to have any issue with maybe a fake art, or maybe you take a trade and hit your stop loss and all that. So if you take a look at this move, you will observe that we had so many movement to the downside, like different waves, different impulse wave. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside until this break market structure of change of character like this. Okay, now if you take a look, you will agree with me that at every of these turning points to the downside, okay, there was another block at every turning point. Okay, there was another block here, other block here, okay, other block here, other block here, other block here. Now the other block I'm talking about is not this type of other block. Okay, maybe price come back for retracement. It could be that, but that is not what I mean. Okay, what I'm talking about is that before any of this turning point, let's start from this first one. Before this turning point, because price was coming like this, okay, price was going up like this, okay, bullish move, and then a bearish move started. Now, before this bearish move started, there was a reversal here, which led to that other block. We call it immediate order block, okay? Now, that immediate order block is the strongest confirmation pattern you're ever going to use as a trader, because at that point, you are now assured that, okay, this thing want to reverse. That is the same concept we want to apply to this one here. Just like as I showed you guys here, just like as I showed you guys on this illustration here. Now, as this move is coming to the downside, remember I told you guys at every of this turning point, there was other block, other block, other block. We call it immediate other block. Now, as this move is coming to the downside in form of retracement for us to get our entry, we shouldn't jump on the entry immediately just because price has come to maybe this breaker block, or let's say a favorable gap here. All right, this is the secret that has been helping me, guys, to refine my entry. Maybe a favorable gap here. I'm going to show you guys examples, right? Maybe a favorable gap here, or maybe this last other block. All right, so we shouldn't just come here, jump into this move because price has gotten to this point, and then we start buying because we are sure that it's going to move to the upside. Instead, as price is coming to the downside like this, Okay, we wait for that immediate order block to be formed right here on this lower time frame. So if I'm using 5 minutes time frame, I just wait for a 5 minutes candle to close. We just wait for this 5 minutes candle to close to show us that sign of momentum. This is the strongest confirmation. Now, this is one beautiful thing I love about this thing I'm showing you guys. Okay, remember, people used to use BMS, change of character, as the confirmation on 5 minutes time frame. Now we are not adding another confirmation on top of it, this other block, okay, meaning confirmation on top of confirmation. Now with all these confidences, there's no way this market is going to go against you. And another beautiful thing I love about this approach is that it's not just used for confirmation entry, because right here we are using it for confirmation to get on this move on higher time frame. You can also use it to scale in position on your trade. For example, let me show you guys an example. All right. Now, as I'm showing you guys the example, those of you that are interested to be in my trading community, my private one-on-one mentorship trading community, there's a link in the description part of this video, a WhatsApp link that you can chat me up directly regarding one-on-one mentorship. And we are going to add you to the community whereby you can trade alongside with us every week on daily basis. And you're going to learn everything that I know that have made me a profitable trader, and you guys go to see learnings to make yourself a profitable trader. Now, regarding the example, I want to show it to you guys on 5 minutes time frame, because right here I am on 1 hour time frame. Okay, and we can even make use of the most recent market right here. Okay, you can see this market came back to this point here before it started moving to the upside. All right, now we can monitor this move here on 5 minutes time frame, then use that same illustration I just showed you guys to confirm this move to the upside. Then you can see how beautiful this thing is, that we can use it to avoid this move. You can see this move that never got confirmed on lower time frame. I can prove it to you guys. If you go to lower time frame, you can see this is the order block, place of reference and all that, but the market just kept falling and all that. So we can use that confirmation to avoid this irrelevant loss at this level here. All these confidences are what you need to put in place to help you guys make solid decision regarding your trade entry. Now, I want to go to 5 minutes time frame, and let's see what we have here on 5 minutes time frame. You can see how beautiful this thing is. All right, it has even started showing right here on today's trade. And with this northern session, this northern key zone in place, you can see how beautiful this thing is. So this one was the first move. If you don't want to make use of this one, you can make use of this one. This is during the key zone moment, all right? But I love to make use of this one. You can see price went up like this. Now you can see the moment as price is coming lower. Let me turn off this indicator here, all right? As price is coming lower, watch this place. Let me take this one off. You can see it didn't just start moving because it got to maybe this level gap, this water block. You can even see the market went deeper. Take a look at here. It broke this level here to the downside. Okay, broke this level here, broke this one here to the downside. And some people may even get discouraged because it kept falling. But me personally, if I wanted, because I didn't trade today is Monday, so I'm not trading today. If I see this move, I'm not panicking. All I just want is 5 minutes, give me my immediate order block. And once I see it like this at this level, you see these secrets, guys, you don't know how valuable this thing is. That's why most of you are not going to appreciate it. But those of you that know what I'm giving you guys, I'm sure you're going to appreciate it by touching the like button on this video. All right. So make sure you touch the like button on this video, and I will know that you guys appreciate this work I'm giving to you guys. You can see the moment we have this immediate order block, the market never came back again to the downside. After this other block, then we started firing. Then a new level is created to the upside here. A new high is created. That's why I told you guys, you don't just use it for confirmation. Instead, you can also use it to scale in more position. For example, if you take this position here, right, first position, then the market broke to this level and then came back. You just have to worry. You just have to relax your mind, wait for the retracement to be over. Then after this reversal here, after you can see this candle here was confirmed here, you smash another position again, meaning two position has been scaled in. This is the secret I use to flip account. Most people have asked me my DM before, how do you scale in position when you are stacking trade, right? When you are stacking trade, like if you are flipping a small account, this is the secret right here. So on 5 minutes time frame, I wait after a swing point as it take place like this one, a swing point to the downside. Then for me to be sure that this swing point is over, I wait for a confirmation. I smash more entry. I wait for confirmation. I smash more entry. Let's say I want to take more entries today. I wait for confirmation. I smash more entry, and so on and so forth. So if you know this secret, guys, you don't even need to bother yourself, regarding any retracement in the market, because every retracement is a new opportunity for you guys to scale in more position. And I'm sure This video right here, I've given you guys more insights about the market and how to confirm your entry. If you are new to this channel, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification button, because every week, every day, we are coming up with good content to help you guys level up your trading career. So I'll see you guys next upload, guys. Peace.